Hello everyone, welcome to your next online video lesson with me, Teacher Morgan. Now let's go full screen and I'll tell you what we're doing in this video. Very special video today because as I've warned, today is the Unit 2 test. Today is the Unit 2 test on lesson number 15. So we're doing a test today. I hope you've downloaded the test from the e-learning platform and you've got it ready to do, because this video I'm just going to help you go through it. But first, before we start, let's quickly go through our words one more time. We've done this so many times now. We'll go through it one more time. We have these ones. We have colored pencils. Colored pencil. Let me do this. Next one. Oops. Next one, we have the marker. The marker. Then after the marker, we have the glue stick. Glue stick. Glue stick. After the glue stick, we have the pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener. Oops, there's the spelling. Pencil sharpener. After the pencil sharpener, what do we have? We have the stapler. The stapler. Okay, and last one of the school supplies, we have the paint brush. Paintbrush. I have a paintbrush. Okay, recap: color pencil, marker, glue stick, pencil sharpener, stapler, paintbrush. They are your school supplies. Okay, so remember those words. Then we went on to do your hamburgers, your noodles, your chicken, your fried egg, your pizzas. We call this food. Ow, just had an itchy ear there. Food. Let's go over your food words from Unit 2. Let's go to the kitchen. We're in the kitchen. We have pizza, pizza, P-I-Z-Z-A. And we have this one, your chicken, chicken. Okay. And we have this one, fish, fish. Okay, what do we have after fish? We have steak, steak. Okay. And then after the steak, we have the soup, soup. And then after the soup, we have juice, juice. And last one. Oh, no, that was the last one. Okay. Well, let's go through them one more time. Let me move myself. No, I'll stay here. Paintbrush, chicken, fish, steak, soup, and juice. And here's the spelling: pizza, chicken, fish, steak, soup, juice. Okay. Let's go through them one more time together. There's your food words. Here's your school supplies. Spelling, I'm sure you're okay with spelling for now, so I think we can move past this. Let's go over your question. What do you want? What do you want? You know the answer. You changes to I want. We drag this one down. I want aragadai. I want steak. I want soup. I want pizza. I want juice. I want fish. I want aragadai. I want aragadai. Okay. Now, if it's a boy, if we're asking about a boy, we say, what does he want? What does he want? The answer. What's the answer? First, we bring this one down. We bring this one down. He what? Then we bring this one down. We bring this one down. Wants. He wants. Because remember, if it's he or she, you add an S. He wants. ... He wants steak. He wants soup. He wants pizza. He wants juice. And he wants fish. He wants aragadai, okay? He wants pizza. He wants fish. He wants steak. He wants a marker. He wants ice cream. He wants anything. Okay? Okay, now let's look. If it's a girl, you say, what does she want? If it is a girl, okay? What is the answer? What does she want? First word is here. She. She what? What's the next word? She. This word here, we bring it down. She want. And then you add an S. Remember, he or she, you add an S. She wants. She wants. She wants a ragged eye. She wants steak. She wants soup. She wants pizza. She wants juice. And she wants fish. She wants a ragged eye. Okay? That's our answer. What does she want? She wants a ragged eye. Okay. Now, here they are one more time. What do you want? I want ... Now, for the he or she, we don't say do, we say what does he want? What does she want? So remember, he or she, you say does, not do. And remember, if it's he or she, you add an S. Remember to add an S to want. You don't say he want, you say he wants with an S. She wants with an S. Remember the S, okay? Okay, we're about to do the test, so you need to remember these little details. Okay, now we're going to do our yes or no. We've done the what questions, now we're doing yes or no. Yes or no. Okay, first one. Do you, do you have, do you like, do you see, do you love, do you remember, do you want? That's what we're going to do. Do you want? Tongan mai, do you want? Do you want a marker? Do you want a glue stick? Do you want chicken? Do you want pizza? Do you want fish? Do you want ice cream? Do you? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And no, I do not. No, I do not. No, I do not. But do not too big. Push it together. No, I don't. No, I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay, remember. And moving on, if it's a boy, now we're asking about a boy, not you. So we don't say do, we say does. Does. It's a boy. Does he? Does he like? Does he love? Does he remember? Does he do? Does he see? Does he want? Does he want a marker? Does he want a marker? Does he want a glue stick? Does he want chicken? Does he want fish? Does he want pizza? Does he want steak? Does he want a pen? Does he want a paintbrush? Does he want a ragged eye? What are the answers? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. And no, he does not. No, he does not. Yes, no. He does. And because it's no, you put not at the end. But does not we change to doesn't? No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Okay, and remember it's does. It's does, not do. Okay. Now, if it's a girl, do we say do or does? We say does. Remember, if it's he or she, we say does. Does she? It's a girl. Does she? Does she want? Does she want? Does she want a marker? Does she want a glue stick? Does she want chicken? Does she want pizza? Does she want fish? Does she want ice cream? Does she want soup? Does she want a water gun? Does she want a ragged eye? Okay, what's the answer? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. And no, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Okay. And remember, it's does, not do. Remember, it is does, not do. Okay, unit test time. I warned you. It's time for your unit test. I hope you have it. Have the piece of paper so you can do the test. If not, maybe you can just try your best to do it on a piece. Do whatever you can. If you can't print off the PDF, if you don't have the test, then do whatever you can, and I'll mark whatever you give me. That's fine. But hopefully everyone has the unit test in their hands right now, and you're ready to do it. Okay, this is what it should look like. 2 pages, page 1 and page 2. Okay, 2 pages, page 1 and page 2. Okay, this is the Unit 2 test for grade 2 English. Okay, ready. Let's look at page number 1. Page number 1, we did this in our last video. Use the words in the box to fill in the blanks. Use these words to fill in the blanks. Does he want? Does he want? Does he want? What's the answer? It's one of these words. Is it you does he want? What does he want? Want does he want? Do does he want? Wants does he want? Don't does he want? Doesn't does he want? She does he want? Does he want? Or pizza does he want? Okay, what word goes here? Does he want? Does he want? Then the answer, he wants. He wants, alright, he wants. Is it he wants you? He wants you. Is it he wants what? Is it he wants want? He wants do. He wants wants. He wants don't. He wants doesn't. He wants she. He wants does. Or he wants pizza. What do we think? Okay, so can you use the words in the box to fill in the spaces? Okay, I hope you all understand. I hope you can all do that. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. I've given you an answer. The first one, I forgot that I did this, is what? What does he want? What does he want? And the answer, I think I'm going to give you the answer too, is pizza. He wants pizza. He wants pizza. Okay, so use the words in the box. So I've given you one. I've given you one of the answers. You can do the rest by yourself. Okay, hopefully that's okay. Okay, now page number 2. Page number 2. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. What do you want? What does he want? What does she want? Does he want pizza? And does she want steak? Okay, so number 1 is what do you want? What do you want? So remember, you changes to, then you say aragadai. You could say pizza, fish, steak, a new toy, money, a car, a dog. What kun tongan arai? What do you want? So you can say aragadai. You can say anything. You can say aragadai, fish, pizza, steak, soup, aragadai. Okay, so you can say whatever you want. Okay. Okay, number 2, I'm not asking you. It says, what does he want? So if it's he, is it the boy or the girl? If it's he, the boy. Okay, so let's look at the boy. The boy says, I want pizza. I don't want fish. So, what does he want? What does he want? Tongarai, what does he want? What does he want? He says, I want pizza. I don't want fish. So, what does he want? Okay, number 3. What does she want? What does she want? Now, she, so it's the girl, okay? So we're asking about the girl because we said she, okay? So what does she want? She says, I want soup. I don't want steak. I want soup. I don't want steak. So what does she want? What does she want? Okay, write the answer. But remember, if it's he or she, you add an S. Remember to add the S. If you don't add the S, you'll get it wrong. Okay? Okay, if you don't remember to add the S, I'll have to give you an X. Okay? Okay, number 4. Does he want pizza? Does he want pizza? Okay, now this is a yes or no. Yes or no. Does he want pizza? He says, I want pizza. I want pizza. So, does he want pizza? Does he want pizza? What do we think? Yes or no? Does he want pizza? Okay, he says, I want pizza. So, does he? And the last one, number 5. Does she want steak? Does she want steak? Okay, so it's she. So it's the girl. Does she want steak? She says, I don't want steak. I don't want steak. I don't want steak. So, does she want steak? Does she want steak? Does she want steak? She says, I don't want steak. So, does she want steak? I don't know. Okay, so that is page number 2. I think that is you. Okay, so when you're finished, can you take a photo or a scan of your work and send it to me on the Patai e-learning platform? The same thing, you've been submitting all your homework to me on that. Been very good. Your last unit test from Unit 1, very good scores. Everyone did very well for Unit 1. So I'm hoping Unit 2 is the same. I hope you all have a good test again. So we'll see. So yes, when you're finished, take a photo or a scan or something and send it to me on the platform just like last time, and I'll get marking. I've marked Unit 1 test, and then I'll mark Unit 2 as soon as I get it. Okay, so that's us all finished for today, guys. Thank you very much. I hope the test is okay for you. I hope it's not too difficult. I hope you have no problem. Anyway, so next week we're going to be doing lots more stuff soon. We're going to be doing projects and more fun stuff now because we're finished with Unit 1, we're finished with Unit 2. So I think August, I think for another, we've got a long time left before the exam. So we're going to do a lot of like fun lessons. We're going to try learning lots of different new things because I think these have done very well with Unit 1 and Unit 2. Maybe we'll go back on Unit 1 a little bit. Anyway, I'm talking too much now. I'm rambling. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for coming. I'll see you soon. Okay, goodbye, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon.